Ever wondered if that new song from your favorite artist is really them, or just an AI fake? It's a question that's becoming harder to answer every day. Well, you're not alone in your suspicion. Artists and fans alike have been getting fooled by fake tracks flooding platforms like Spotify, sometimes even topping global playlists before anyone realizes they're bogus. This isn't just a minor glitch, it's a fundamental challenge to music authenticity, digital security, and the very foundation of how we consume media in the AI era. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a major shift in the streaming world. Spotify is finally fighting back against the tide of AI impersonation. Before we break down the mechanics of their new system, hit that like button and subscribe. We want to know in the comments, have you ever been fooled by a fake AI track? Spotify is rolling out a new beta feature called Artist Profile Protection. This isn't just an update, it's a gatekeeper tool designed to change the publishing model. So what does it actually do? Basically, it lets artists manually review and approve any music release before it ever gets published under their official name. That means no more random tracks popping up on official pages, whether they're from a metadata mix-up or from impersonators using AI to upload convincingly fake vocals. Why is this happening now? Because the problem has gotten seriously out of control. 2025 saw a massive catalog leak where millions of metadata rows were compromised. Everyone from global superstars like Drake and Beyoncé has seen bogus tracks appear. Remember the Queen Carter unauthorized demo album that stayed live for 24 hours? Or the fans who found Drake at the top of their Spotify Wrapped despite never listening to him? These aren't accidents, they're targeted algorithmic manipulations. It's not just the A-listers. Indie giants like King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard saw an AI clone called King Lizard Wizard appear with their exact song titles. Experimental composer William Basinski even had reggaeton tracks uploaded to his ambient page. This vulnerability affects every corner of the musical landscape. The root of the issue is the industry's open access distribution model. Distributors often rely on simple text matching for metadata, creating a massive security loophole. Lately, bad actors have moved beyond simple tagging to using generative AI to create voice clones that siphon royalties and distort discovery algorithms. Spotify's new system introduces a mandatory review step. When a release tags a protected artist, it stays in a needs approval state for up to 28 days. To prevent delays for legitimate music, Spotify introduced the artist key. This is a unique secret code artists give to trusted labels. When a release is delivered with this key, it bypasses manual review and goes live automatically. It's a clever balance of security and speed. This move represents a shift from a reactive model, where you report fakes after the damage is done, to a proactive gatekeeping model. For us as listeners, it ensures we're getting what we actually came for. It safeguards fans from fraud and protects the integrity of an artist's brand. By mid-2026, this proactive approach is likely to become the new industry standard, forcing other platforms to follow suit or face catalog integrity crises. Right now, the feature is in beta for a few thousand artists. Spotify plans to scale it to all creators as they refine the artist key system. However, it's not for everyone. Failing to approve a legitimate release could inadvertently block an artist's own new music if they don't stay active. In a world where AI-generated content and digital impersonation are only getting more sophisticated, this buffer is a critical line of defense. But security isn't just about the music. In mid-2025, researchers found a critical flaw in the Spotify for Artists portal that allowed email changes without full authentication. It was a wake-up call that prompted these massive infrastructure upgrades. We've also witnessed high-profile political defacements, where hacker groups replaced artist images with protest messages. These incidents proved that an artist's profile is now a high-value piece of digital real estate that requires multi-layered defense. To recap, we have manual review power, the secret artist key for trusted partners, and a 28-day window to catch bad actors before they hit your feed. This could signal a new era of accountability and trust on streaming platforms, moving us away from the wild west of unregulated uploads. Early feedback from the beta suggests it is highly effective, especially for artists with common names who are often victims of metadata confusion. So what do you think? Is this manual approval step the tip of the iceberg, or is it enough to solve the AI fake problem permanently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're especially curious to hear from any musicians watching this. Would you use this feature? Staying ahead of these trends is crucial for anyone in the music or technology industry. AI is changing the rules of the game every single day. If you found this deep dive valuable, share it with anyone curious about how AI is impacting digital security and creativity. Knowledge is the best defense. And hey, make sure to watch our related video on AI copyright trends popping up in the corner right now to stay even further ahead. If you're a business leader looking to implement AI solutions securely, we'd love to chat. You can book a time with us using the link in the description. We help organizations navigate these complex AI shifts across the legal, engineering, and construction sectors with strategic, secure implementation. In the age of AI, authenticity isn't just a virtue, it's the most valuable currency an artist or brand can possess. Protect yours. Thanks for sticking around for this deep dive. I've been your host, helping you stay ahead of the AI curve. Make sure to subscribe for more insights on the future of tech. We'll see you in the next one. Stay authentic.